Gorgeous home sits on 1.9 air conditioner with great privacy. 10 men from town and schools. Picture windows provide a dynamic view. Split BDR plan with the master apart, 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath, bonus and office. LG master bath / closet, separate dining, breakfast, laundry, LG pantry and lots of storage. The 4th BDR is located upstairs along with a full bath and bonus. Stainless steel appliances in kitchen, granite, hardwood, carpet in beds, all new paint, new tile floor in kit, 3-car GA, tankless water heater, new landscape and much more.